Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. It is wet here, Toronto. It's raining. Um, Depending on where you're at, hopefully you're having nice weather. If you're having rain, you're having a nice Sunday morning with the rain. So I have some plans to get some meals prepared for a few of our, well, obviously meals. Like I guess that's it. What else would it possibly be, right? So I was all out of my barbecue chicken and rib. It's one of our favorites here. Melissa was using it. So I'm just going to toss it in some chicken, thighs, and then bake it along with an actual teriyaki on a few of the other ones. And so this just makes dinner a little bit easier for us, or lunch, depending on what it might be. And then I don't have to fuss. Lunches are one I don't like to spend a lot of time on. I do obviously work from home right now, and even that I still don't like to have to spend a lot of time, right? Got to get back to work. Part of that. Anyway, you know how it goes. Obviously, you could do this if you were batch cooking as well. If you brought it home fresh, you could do this and freeze it. We don't generally marinate before we freeze. And a lot of that is just because I bring home big amounts of protein and I don't like to spend too much time in the kitchen, as you're well aware. So I do the best, or spend as much time as little time. I make the most out of the time that I use in the kitchen. How's that? That makes more sense. All right, next one, I'm going to use our teriyaki. Don't have very much left, as you can see. Just toss it all in. And that's it. Go find another bottle, or I'll have to buy another bottle, I guess. Let's see if I've got more. Anyway, this is just about 3.5 or so chicken breasts with the teriyaki, not breasts, thighs, skinless thighs. All right, there you go. Wash the chicken view. Okay, so the oven is now ready. I'm just going to put it in. There we go, some teriyaki chicken and some barbecue chicken rib thighs. Gonna bake them. Timer. Probably 20 minutes, just because the amount of them. And then just throw them into a container in the fridge, and then you can either chop it up, fry it up, eat it cold, put it in a salad, put it in a wrap, whatever it is, stir fry it. It doesn't matter. It's just there and it's ready to go, which is important, as I said, for me for lunches and sometimes dinners too. Vic and I don't always eat the same way and the same time. So this way it's easier just to quickly grab something, and he can make it his way, I can make it my way. But the base of it is all set and ready. You know, because he'll do things like add a whole bunch of hot sauce on it, which is bleh for me. All right, so I'm just going to make a cucumber avocado salad. X-Man is making sure she's a part of the conversation, as you can see. We'll use the whole cucumber. Notice that this one was starting to go, but it seems okay. Okay, full cucumber. Now you can season your cucumber because, as we know, it's just water, basically. Hey, Nicole. So we'll need something. So you can put a little salt in, or you can put in sand salt, something that kind of gives it. Lemon pepper would be nice. I'm actually just going to use a little bit of cheesy fry and our better than bacon one. So I'm going to put in a bit of the cheesy fry and a lot. Just today is the day of me going through all my jars, it seems. So opening up a new better than bacon. Anyways, because it'll have the sodium already in that. Good morning, how are you? 35%, 35 milligrams of sodium. Sorry, 85, I can read, with a tablespoon with that. So obviously, there's a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons in here, but I'll make, I don't know if you can hear, but Bax has just tore across the whole apartment here. She's crazy. Aren't you, Pax? And then I'm just going to squish in an avocado. And then, of course, this is where you could totally do whatever you wanted. Add some tomatoes. Add some... add some cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. That would be it. Put some cottage cheese in here if you were into that. I am not. I'm just going to use the avocado. And that's pretty much it. Now, of course, as I said, you could add in other seasonings. You could use creamy ranch. That would be a nice one with this. If you like onions, the CCB would work instead of the better than bacon. You know, would be a good one is the one that they brought back. The spinach one would be nice, but so would the sun-kissed tomato one would be good with this as well. Anyway, that's it. There we go. My avocado cucumber salad. And that I will be having today. All right, there's all that. Now, last I was going to do, hi Ashley, hello Celine, was cook up some sausage, just because, you know, can't always eat chicken 24/7. This one is just Costco plain, like mild sausage. I find it works great for most of our seasonings because they're stronger flavored, right, than the mild here, so you can change it up pretty easily. And what I'm going to do is use our ground separator thing, ground meat separator, smush it all up. I'm going to add in our sticky orange chicken seasoning. You can't see because I've got it. I've only used a little bit of one of my other ones. I'm only going to use a little bit here as well. And then what I can do is it's already prepped, so I can literally throw it into a quick stir fry, which will take, you know, literally enough to just warm it up and get the veggies kind of like just, you know, started. Not, you know, me and my veggies, I don't like them overcooked. As an option. Tiny bit of soy sauce. And just a little more in. Okay. And then I'm just going to microwave it. And then it'll be cooked and ready for me, as I said, to throw into a stir fry, toss into a salad, put into a wrap. It's pretty much the same concept. It's just going to have a little different flavor profile. And it won't be chicken. Okay. So that will go in the microwave for about, I'm going to say 4 minutes. Okay, that's it. That's pretty much my meal prep for the starting of right now. Just because I'm going to show you, we've already got started with vegetables are chopped. Can't really see, can you? Vegetables are prepared. I do have a cauliflower I need to to separate and prep kind of idea. I have a few other things going in there. So our vegetables are prepped for the week. Protein here is pretty much prepped for most of definitely all our lunches and some dinners. 1 or 2 dinners we'll swap out or change up, sorry. Like, I think we're going to do butter chicken again, but this time with that cauliflower that I said. And more than likely, we're going to use the chicken with the bone in, so it'll be a longer process. And that one is not for me to make. Victor's going to make that later this week. And I was going to make birthday cake today, but I think I'll make it later this week and maybe share it then. I was going to do the birthday chocolate cake swirly thing I like. I'll probably do it Tuesday or Wednesday. Mostly because, hi Donna, on Thursday, I have a procedure that I'm going through, and I'm going to kind of be out of commission for probably about a week or so. We'll see. So Victor will have to do a lot of that. So I'm going to kind of prepare for that. So there's a little bit of dessert, some easy, make some meals, get that meal plan prepped and everything for him. So that's kind of why I'm doing it this way right now. And yeah, so that's it. There you go. Done. 10 minutes. I just got to clean up, pull out the chicken from the oven in another 10 minutes and let that cool, put it into the fridge, and we're set. As I said, my lunch will be the cucumber avocado salad, probably with like a piece of chicken. Maybe I put it into a wrap or something. I don't know yet. And then I'm off to see a concert. My friend Linda is in a band, a community band, and I'm going to that. East York, it's called. It's in the Overley area, Overley Road. Anyway, on the east side. If you're over there, go check them out. And then what? Oh, and don't forget, it's June, so we have all our new June specials, which is exciting. We have the Father's Day special stuff that already started. So like the chili flakes and garlic, if you were into that. The Montreal steak spice, the feisty green sauce, the barbecue tongs, which we use all the time. The basting brush. These are the 2 cookwares. They brought back the coffee press is available as well. Those are in the Father's Day specials. All cookware is 20% off. So if there's anything you were looking for, like the steamers or the sheet pans or the saute pan or the wok, it's a good time to get it for that. Or it's also a good time to host your own event and also get those things at 50% off or free, whichever. Or you can turn your benefits into a biz. That's still going. So if you hosted last month or this month, you can still get your people together, share how awesome Epicure is in your kitchen and what you use it for. So you're helping them. And then you turn those benefits into a biz and you keep helping them because you can be your own ambassador. And it would be basically free, to join, which is cool. And you already would have all the goodies. So away you go. So those are all awesome ideas. What else is here? Oh, and also our monthly spotlight is burgers. So cheesy fries, the burger seasoning, the big burger sauce. So if you like the secret sauce from McDonald's but don't like all the sodium and everything that's in it, you can make your own. It's literally ketchup, mayo, relish, and the sauce. If you don't have relish, you can use pickles. If you don't like ketchup, barbecue sauce would be good. Make it however you like, and you can make as much as you want, and you don't have to worry about it going bad because it's dehydrated. And then the burgers, as you see, they're pretty easy to make, and they can be any protein. And the cheesy fries are great on everything and anything. So yeah, those are the specials. That's what's going on. So if it's an interest in you that you want to talk about being your own ambassador and getting that 20-25% discount on everything you get and sharing it with your family and friends, feel free to reach out to me or your ambassador. Or if you want to host and get goodies that way and do the same thing, it just depends on what you want to do. If you want to have it continual, then you join. If you want to just do it once in a while, then you host. And that's how you get awesome goodies and get Epicure in your kitchen and share how awesome it is with your family and friends. All right. That's it. I'm out. Well, probably wait. I'll show you the sausage. Right. Okay. There we go. There's the sticky orange sausage. So I can smush it up after I clean the meat separator. And then I can easily, as I said, throw it either into a wrap or a stir fry again, quickly cook something up, put it in with some rice and some veggies, or even some pasta. Actually, something like that. This is something I probably would put into like some mac and cheese. So making mac and cheese, I could put a little, like a couple tablespoons of this in it. It will change up the flavor a little bit, get a little protein, and away we go. So there we go. That's it. The chicken is coming along. It's still got 7 minutes. Yep. All right. Happy Sunday, and hope your week is amazing.